Welcome back. Now you need 260 brown balloons for the slingshot. Let's pump it up and tie. Now we make 2 small bubbles. Tie both together. Put the ear through both balloons and lock it. Twist the long balloon between the 2 small bubbles. Make another big bubble about your palm size and twist 2 more bubbles. Twist both bubbles together. Again, twist the long balloon into both bubbles. Now make another side of the slingshot. Twist 2 more bubbles and do the same tricks. Twist it in. We don't need this part, so just take it off. Cut it off. Don't waste the balloon. Blow it up. Let's combine both together. Tie the 260 long balloon on the both sides. We are done. Let's try it on.